Dude, alright, well we're installing the coil-overs. Get rid of these guys, because they're huge and ugly. And get in these pretty boys right here. I'm gonna make it dirt nasty low. Just dropped off the diff and all that stuff. It's gonna be pretty low.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, dude.
Clean your fucking trunk.
Education, dude.
Fucking...
You don't need education.
There's a broken sway bar end link.
Yeah.
Nice. Broken sway bar from the front. Need to probably get that fixed.
What was that? Mr. Mamet. You'll meet him one day. He did this. He's a day.
Front coilovers have been in for a week. Snapped the front sway bars after about 10 minutes. Just found out came with new front sway bars. End links. Yep.
Dude, that makes me so
That's
happy.
what happens.
Alright, so I'm gonna get the strut in there. Look all pretty.
You wanna hold that up there?
Just like so. No, they don't, like the instructions don't tell you shit. They just tell you what not to do. You're like,
Well, I think it might go like this.
alright, it's in there. And get the rest of this installed. So, basically, we ran into some issues. We had to finesse it. But now it's in. So, we're good.
Hopefully. Keep her going.
Oh, Jesus, what was that?
Oh, forgot about the spring. Keep going. The strut is this feels like it's in there. I mean, it's
The
a
spring?
little loose, but I mean everything's detached. So let's get that other strut in. What's that? What's that? Ooh. What are we doing, Alex?
We're gonna get this other bar in.
And what is that bar?
It's the subframe bar.
Potential subframe.
There's no subframe. But on my Mustang, they put a subframe bar on it. So
Because it's a convertible
Drop top wall.
for the hose. So this bar right here, and we gotta get the other side in. It's a pain in the ass.
There we go. Oh, I got stuck.
Yeezy.
It's a nice suspension you got there, boy.
Well, thank you.
Just set her down after a long day's work. It's a manual. Isn't that right, Alex?
Yeah.
Pretty low in the front. You go a little lower in the back, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
All tightened down, big boy?
Yeah.
You want to clean out that passenger seat for me?
Yeah.
You gonna steal my tools? What do you think you're doing? Look at this man trying to steal my tools. Feel nice?
Oh yeah. Oh, we have a speed bump we gotta get over.
Oh yeah, you're golden.